Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Zebronics ZEB S990 2.0 multimedia speakers. There is a picture of what the speaker is supposed to look like. It comes with a mesh design at the front. We will take a look obviously. These are USB powered speakers, has a aux cable as well, and it has a volume control or a volume rocker along with it. Any other information? Okay, so each of these speakers are 3-watt speakers, and they have a frequency response of 250 Hz to 20 kHz. Anything else? No, that's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look at the speakers. There you are, folks. This is what the speakers look like. They have, so there is a mesh design at the front. There you go. The mesh design at the front looks very classy. And they have woofers on the side as well. That's a great addition. Overall, there is a glossy black finish, or piano black finish as it's referred to. Also, underneath you will notice there are these ergonomic anti-skid stops, anti-skid grips. They're designed to make them very stable on a flat surface. This is a great addition as well. Okay, there are woofers on both the sides, on this side and this side as well. So great, nice touch. Let's take a look at the cable. This is the cable. This is at least 1 meter long cable. There is a volume rocker over here, as you can see, and this being a multimedia speaker, at the end we have a USB-A jack and a 3.5mm jack. I'm going to plug this to my laptop over here. Let me just show you how it's done. There you can see this is the laptop that I'm using currently. I'm going to plug this into the laptop and give you a demonstration of the music. So this is one. Okay, so that's it. You heard that. It's pretty clear audio. We'll do the closing bit. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Zebronics S990. I'll do it again. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Zebronics ZEB S990 2.0 multimedia speaker. Thank you for watching.